Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring MySQL is running and you have a database plus a dedicated user. This prevents later permission headaches. Once done, create a Python virtualenv and activate it to isolate dependencies. Then install Django and the MySQL DB driver. Mysql client is preferred for performance. Use MySQL connector Python only if compilation fails. This gets you both the database and the Python environment ready, so Django can connect securely and reproducibly. Now open Settings, .py and replace the default engine with Django. DB, backends, MySQL and fill name, user, password, host, port. This maps Django ORM calls to MySQL. Make sure the DB driver you installed shows up in pip freeze. If not, install required system libs like libmysql-client-dev and reinstall. Next, externalize credentials using environment variables or env so you avoid committing secrets. Once configured, Django knows where to send queries and how to authenticate. Finally, run Python manage. .py migrate to apply migrations and create the schema, then create a superuser and start the server to test queries. If you hit errors, first verify the MySQL user has proper privileges and accepts connections from your host. Also confirm the correct driver version and that MySQL is listening on the expected port. If problems persist, enable Django debug and inspect full DB errors. Make sure to run migrations one app at a time to pinpoint failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.